This is going to be a video on how to install TWRP recovery and root your Dreamtab HD8. First step is going to be to go into your settings and down to About Tablet. Find build number, click on that 10 times, and that will open the developer options on the left. Once developer options, make sure it's on, and go to USB debugging and check the box. Select yes. You have your cable installed. Go ahead and open Device Manager and ADB interface should be showing up. If it's not, there's going to be problems. You'll also need to make sure that you have the fast boot driver installed. I'll go over that at the end. Assuming that everything is all installed, go ahead and go to the download and open your Dreamtab TWP installer. You're going to want to extract all the files. And there you'll find an install.bat. Click on that. And here you'll have three options. One, to install TWRP and make a backup of your current system. And the second one is to install TWRP recovery only. And the third one will be to install the stock recovery if you would like to return to stock. Now I'm just going to do option 2 here. Make sure the device is connected. It is. Pressing the key to continue. The device will reboot. And you can see the small text down here. As it says, when you see the small text, go ahead and press enter. Sends the recovery. Now it says to hit the volume minus button until the recovery kernel is selected, and then hit the volume plus button. At this point you have TWRP installed, and you can go ahead and exit the installer. If you want to root the device at this point, try reboot the system. It will ask you, your device does not appear to be rooted. Would you like to install now? If you do, go ahead and swipe to install. Alright, at this point, you have Super User Installer. It is not fully installed yet. You can go ahead and hit play or TWRP, whichever you want. Play is the easiest method. Go ahead and update. can open your it'll ask you if the super user binary needs to be updated. Go ahead and hit continue, and you can probably do it the normal way. It says it's recommended that you reboot your device now. Let's open ES File Explorer, and there we do, grant. So I said I would explain some of the other things if you're having trouble with the driver. Anybody that's already to this point, there's no need to continue watching the video. Some of the ways that you can install ADB is the June Fabrics software. A lot of times you'll end up seeing down here where you'll have other devices and it won't be, you have the yellow question mark. If it's down there, you could go ahead and right click it. It'll be down there, but you can update the driver software. You can browse your computer. The universal naked driver, which you can find on XDA, is pretty good. You can pick a device from your computer if you have it on there. Selecting these. This is going to be quite the same as installing Fast Boot. Again, though, a lot of people choose the June Fabrics PDA.net software, or PDA.net, sorry. Those are some of the options. Windows 8 has some issues with driver signature enforcement. If you open the charms here, change your PC settings. Go to Update and Recovery, and choose the Advanced Startup. Go ahead and click the Troubleshoot and use the Advanced options, and you can change your startup settings. And restart. And here, number 7 would be to disable driver signature enforcement. Click 7 and allow the computer to reboot. And some of the driver problems that you'll run into will be solved by that. Now you can go back into Device Manager and can continue trying to install. Some of the other possible tricks is if you've installed many other devices, your phone and other things, is you will run into a problem where you have too many ADB drivers installed. It's possible at that point to try to delete some of them. In the search box, type CMD, and up at the top, right click and run as administrator. And try PNP util -E. This will give you a list of all the drivers that you have installed. You can see OEM58.inf is a Google ADB interface. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to uninstall that since I still have it plugged in, but you can do plug and play utilities -D for delete and OEM58.inf. I don't think this is going to work since I've installed, but if you don't have anything installed, it will delete it, and those are some of the options that you can just do. Alright, good luck with your TWRP install for the Dreamtab and rooting.